In this video, you will learn how to mark structure in the forex market, and this also applies both in the stock market, crypto market, and the synthetic market. As long as the market has a candlestick chart, you can learn how to mark this structure like a pro in any kind of market. My name is KujiFX, and all I do in this channel is to upload high value video that will help you understand the market and show you how to analyze the market like a pro in order for you to stay profitable. So in this video, I will show you how to mark structure, being it downtrend, uptrend, or ranging. In my previous video, I explained the different kinds of market trend. So if you are new to market trends, I advise you should watch that video to get a clear understanding, which I'll be linking. I'll be putting the link to the video in the description, so you can watch that video to understand what trend means before coming back here to learn how to mark market structure. So before I show you how to mark the structure, there are two things you must understand. You may want to write this down, so get your pen and paper. The first one is called break of structure, and the second one is called change of character. These are the two things you should put in your mind, because we're going to be using them throughout this video: break of structure and change of character. So what does these two things mean? A break of structure is when the market breaks a structure that it has formed previously. So let me explain this using a line graph for you. So let's say the market is in downtrend, right? And in downtrend, market creates a lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower lows. So this is a lower high, right? The market creates a lower high here, comes down to create a lower low, goes up again, which is called a pullback, and create a lower high, comes down, create a new lower low, goes up, create a lower high, comes down and create a lower low, goes up, create a lower high, comes down and create a lower low. Now this is what we call bearish market, meaning the market is going downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows. But then observe something: when market creates a lower low here, goes up to create a lower high here, the market now comes down to break the previous lower low that it has created. So the breaking of this low is what we call break of structure. So that place I marked, I drew the white line, is called break of structure. Why? Because market broke the lower low it has created, telling you that it wants to continue his current trend to the downside. Same thing happened here. Market creates a lower low, goes up and creates a lower high, comes back to break the lower low that it has created before, making it a break of structure. When this happens, the market is saying that it wants to continue its trend downward. So if you are in this market, you should be looking for a selling opportunity. What next? Market creates a lower low, goes up to create another lower high, and comes back to break the previous lower low it has created, making it a break of structure. So this is what a break of structure simply means whenever you hear a break of structure. So when the market breaks a structure to the downside in a bearish market, the market is telling that it wants to continue his trend downward. But then the market doesn't go to one direction for a very long time. It can be in a downtrend, and at a point it will reverse back to an uptrend, or it will be on a range. Either way, the market always make a turn after some certain time. So when market is on downtrend, at a point it may go to uptrend. So how would you know if market want to reverse from downtrend to uptrend? It's very simple. You will know that by the occurrence of what we call change of character. So a change of character occurs when market breaks structure in the opposite direction, not in the same trend. What do I mean? So here we are. Instead of the price to go downwards, it goes up and breaks structure to the upside, not in the same direction. So when market broke structure in the opposite direction, we call it change of character. When this happens, most of the time, the market wants to change the direction. So what happened then? The market now what? Creates what? A lower high. Because now in an uptrend, we have what we call lower high and higher high. Right? So since the market have given us a change in direction, the market now will create what? Will create a lower high and goes up to create what? A higher high. Create a lower high and goes up to create what? A lower high. When this happens, the market is going bullish. How can you tell? When markets give you this break of structure in the opposite direction, what we call change of character. Change of character. Now the market what? Come down here, create a lower high, goes up to break the previous higher high that has been created, telling you that it wants to continue its direction to the upside. So this is what we call break of structure to the upside, right? And market comes again, it creates a higher high, comes back to create a lower high, and goes up to break the previous higher high that has been formed, calling it what? A break of structure, telling you that the market wants to continue its what? His trend to the upside. So this is simply what we call break of structure and change of character. So let me make a quick recap here. A break of structure is when the market breaks the previous form structure in the same direction, telling you that the market wants to continue its current trend. While a change of character is when the market breaks structure in the opposite direction, telling you that it wants to change what? Its trend. Hope I'm clear. If you are confused, rewatch the video until you understand. So let's go to the chart and mark this structure in this live chart. This is what we call this pair is GBP USD, and this is 1 hour time frame. So let's start from the top here. If you can see here, this is what we call a higher high here. So market creates a higher high, but this is the previous. No, let's see, this is a higher high. Yes, this is a higher high, but this is the previous lower high the market has created in an uptrend, right? So the market came down and broke what? This lower high that has formed in an uptrend. This is what we call change of character, because the market has broken structure in the opposite direction. And when a change of character occurs, it simply means the market wants to change direction. So what then happens? The market goes creates a lower low here, right? Then goes back up to create what? A lower high here. Market creates a lower high. Market now came down, breaks the lower low that it created, making it what? A break of structure, telling you that the market wants to continue his trend downwards. And what happened? It create a lower low again here, comes back here, create what? A lower high, and then the market gives us a break of structure in the same direction, telling you that what? It wants to continue its trend. So this is what we call break of structure in the same direction, market continuing his trend, right? So this lower low and this lower high, and what happened? Market what? Market breaks the lower low, break of structure to the downside. And then what happened? Watch very carefully here. Instead of market to continue its trend downward, the market went back up and break the lower high that has been formed. So in this case, this is what we call what? This is what we call change of character. Why? Because market broke structure in the opposite direction, telling you that it wants to change his trend from downtrend to uptrend. So when this happens in the market, you should be aware that buyers have now taken control of the market and the market wants to go uptrend. So you should be looking for what? For buying opportunities in this kind of market. And then what happened? Market create what? A higher high here, comes back here and create a lower high here. And the market went up and breaks structure to the upside, telling you that it wants to continue his trend upwards. This means the buyers are in control of the market. So market creates what? Market creates a higher high here and creates a lower high here. This movement is very tiny, but if I should zoom in, you will discover that there is a movement here. This is a valid pullback. Most of you don't know pullback, which I'll be explaining in my next video. That is why you should subscribe, because I'll be explaining how to identify a valid pullback in my next video. So what happened here? Market went up and breaks structure to the upside again. Network is giving us problem here. So market broke structure to the upside, telling you that it wants to continue its trend upward. And then what happened is market came back to break a structure in the opposite direction, which is here, telling you that it is now time to change character from uptrend to downtrend. So market came back and what? And broke structure in the opposite direction, which we call it change of character. That means the market wants to continue his trend downward. So in this case, you should be looking for selling opportunities because the market is now going bearish. So the market did what? Came down here and create what? A lower low here. And then create what? A lower high here. Don't mind my drawings. I'm not trying to make you understand my point. Right? And the market came down here to what? To break structure in the same direction, telling you that it wants to continue his trend downward. So this is simply how to mark break of structure and change of character. I want to believe you understand my explanation. If you don't understand, rewind the video and watch it again so that you get a clear view, because this is very important for you to understand. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to identify a valid pullback, because it will help you in marking your structure. I don't want to miss that video. If you gain value from this video, please like this video and also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss what? My upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you next time.